Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you healthy and you avoid the virus COVID-19. And you should wash your hand and don't touch other. And you should stay at home. Okay? So we before we start study, we pray. So pray begin. Okay, done. And before we start study, I want to check your attendance. Okay, I already check your attendance, and I see no one is absent. So we start study today, and our topic today is about text interpersonal, about say thank you. So we start study. Okay, students, I want to ask with you, do you know is thank you or thanks? Okay, if you do know, I tell you about definition thank you or thanks. So thank is transitive verb. So it is to tell someone that you are grateful for something he or she has done. So in Indonesia is mengatakan kepada seseorang bahwa kamu berterima kasih untuk sesuatu yang ia telah lakukan. So ketika mereka melakukan sesuatu atau menolong kalian, maka sesudah itu kalian harus berterima kasih kepada mereka. Itu adalah bentuk apresiasi kepada mereka yang telah membantu kalian dalam melakukan sesuatu hal atau or something like that. Okay? Okay. Thanks is noun or plural. So word or action that show that you are grateful about something, atau kata-kata atau aksi-aksi yang menunjukkan bahwa kamu berterima kasih atas sesuatu. Here I have table of thank you, thinking and responses. So the first is thank you. So you should respond you're welcome. And then second is thank, and you should say response, don't mention it. And then third is thank you for blah blah blah. So you say the response is that's all right. And then the fourth is thank you very much. And then you say it is my pleasure. And then five is thanks a lot. So you say the responses is not at all. And then 6 is many thanks. So you say the responses is I'm glad you like it. This is a thanking and responses from thank you. And then thank you and thanks. Phrases thank you and thanks is exclamations. So, this is digunakan untuk merespon sesuatu secara sopan atau menunjukkan rasa terima kasih. Thanks lebih informal or from thank you. So, the first one is first, thank you for your assistance. So, functional is berterima kasih atas sesuatu for plus noun or ing. So in Indonesia, terima kasih atas bantuannya. And the second sentence is thanks for giving me a ride home. And Indonesia is terima kasih untuk tumpangan ke rumah. And then the second is menjawab pertanyaan sopan. The sentence is how are you doing? In Indonesia, apa kabar? And the response is I'm fine, thanks. And Indonesia is baik, terima kasih. And membalas komentar, you say you look really nice today. And the response is thank you. And then menerima sesuatu, accept someone, accept something. The sentence is would you like some cake? Apakah kamu mau kue? And the response is thank you. Or yes, please, thanks. In Indonesia, ya, terima kasih. And then next is menolak sesuatu. You say, would you like some cake? And the response is no, thanks. In Indonesia, tidak, terima kasih. And then I have a example sentence about thank and thanks. So first is the student thanked me for helping him improve his writing skill. So here you thank, you tambah ed. So in Indonesia is siswa tersebut berterima kasih kepada saya karena membantunya memperbaiki kemampuan menulisnya. So it is verb. And then second is have you thanked him for the gift? Thank you tambah with ed. So in Indonesia is sudahkah kamu berterima kasih padanya atas hadiah tersebut? So it is verb. And then third, let me give thanks to you who are always there to listen to my problems. So thank you tambah with s. So in Indonesia is biarkan saya berterima kasih kepadamu yang selalu di sana mendengarkan masalah-masalah saya. So the sentence is noun. And then fourth is she can hardly express her thanks. So thank you tambah with s. So in Indonesia is dia dapat sulit mengungkapkan rasa terima kasihnya. So the sentence is noun. Okay, here I have a conversation about thank you. Dika and Rian. Okay, first is Dika. Dika say, hey Rian, how are you now? And Rian say, I'm feeling better, Dika. Thanks for asking. And Dika say, I called you place and your mom told me you got the flu. And Rian say, yeah, I did. And Dika say, I told Mrs. Lucy about it and she said she's let you take the test later on. And Rian say, thanks a lot, Dika. And Dika say, don't mention it. What next plan? And Rian say, yup, I have to prepare for the test, but I don't think I will be able to study without the material last week. And Dika say, don't worry, here is the list of topics which were covered last week. And then Rian say, thank you so much, you're a great friend. And then Dika say, it's the least I could do. Okay students, I have second conversation about thank you. It is Shaun and Lisa. The first is Shaun. Hey Lisa, why you look so confused? And Lisa say, hey Shaun, I have not completed a report this week. How about you? And Shaun say, I have finished my own. And Lisa say, really? Can I ask you for a favor? And Shaun say, sure. What is it? And Lisa say, I have to finish this report, but I don't think I'll be able to finish it on time. And Shaun say, don't worry, I'll help you out. And Lisa say, thanks Shaun. And Shaun say, no sweet, you helped me last month, so I'm returning the favor now. And Lisa say, thanks a lot, you are a lifesaver. And Shaun say, you're welcome. Okay student, I think enough for today. So what we learned today about? Yeah, that's right, about thank you. And what is a thank you? Yeah, thank you is to tell someone that you are grateful for something he or she has done. So, mengatakan kepada seseorang bahwa kamu berterima kasih untuk sesuatu yang ia telah lakukan. Jadi ketika seseorang tersebut melakukan sesuatu untuk kalian atau menolong kalian, maka sesudahnya kalian harus mengucapkan terima kasih kepada mereka untuk mengapresiasi apa yang telah mereka tolong atau lakukan untuk kalian. Okay, my students, listen to me. I give you homework, the text chapter 1, page 20 until 21, and then I give you deadline until tomorrow, so I wait you until tomorrow, and then you send with my email, okay? Okay, before we close the lesson, so we pray together. Pray, begin. Okay, done. So, I think enough. Thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.